Namaste everyone. Here I am going to solve one question which is related to mensuration, which runs like this. The length of a room is 50% more than its breadth. Let breadth of room be x. Since here all units are given in meter square, here is also meter square. So suppose this is in meter also. AB, this is B, BC, this is L. Length of a room is 50% more than its breadth. Breadth is x meter, then length will be x plus 50% of x. Hence, L is equal to x plus 50% of x meter is equal to x plus 50 by 100 into x meter. 2, it is x plus x by 2 meter. This is 3 by 2 meter. 3 by 2 x meter. 2x plus x, that is 3 by 2 x meter. L is obtained, B is obtained. The cost of carpeting the room at the rate of rupees 38.50 meter square is rupees 924, and the cost of painting the walls at the rate of rupees 5.50 per meter square is rupees 1320. Find the dimensions of the room. We have to find L, B and H of this room. We have given here L and B both. Both are obtained. Now, carpeting. The cost of carpeting the room. This part will be carpeted. A, B, C, D. This is floor. So, area of this floor. Area of the floor of the room is equal to L into B. L into B. L is obtained, that is 3 by 2 x meter into B, that is x meter. In this way, area is 3 by 2 x into x, that is x square meter square. Area of this floor is obtained. And rate is also given. The cost of carpeting the room at the rate of rupees 38.50 meter square. This is cost of 1 square meter floor. So total cost. This is cost of 1 square meter and total cost is given. Is rupees 924. So cost of carpeting. Now, cost of carpeting will be rupees 38.50 is cost of 1 square meter. And total area is obtained here. Total area is 3 by 2 x square meter square. This is cost of 1 square meter. Per square meter, rate will be given in per square meter by meter square into total area, that is 3 by 2 x square meter square. This part will be cancelled. Cost, this part is given. We can cancel it like this. 25. This part is already given. Implies that rupees 924 at the rate of rupees 38.50 meter square is rupees 924 is equal to, we got that is 19.25. Denominators are cancelled into 3x square. Now we have to transpose it here. Implies that rupees 924 by rupees 19.25 into 3. This is x square. We can cancel it like this. 3 is 9, 2 0, 24 3, 8 is decimal will be erased. Then put here 2 zeros, and this part will be cancelled in 16 times. Implies that x square is equal to 16. Hence x is equal to root under 16, that is 4 meter. This is value of x. Now x is obtained. This is breadth of this room. Breadth is obtained and length is 3 by 2x. Hence b is equal to 4 meter and L is equal to 3 by 2x is equal to 3 by 2 value of x, that is 4 meter obtained, that is 6 meter. In this way length and breadth are obtained. Now, and the cost of painting the walls at the rate of rupees 5.50 per meter square, it is also given. 4 walls. So we have to find area of all the 4 walls. Area of all the 4 walls will be obtained like this. Two into L plus B into H. Area of all the 4 walls. Put here A2. L is obtained. L is obtained, that is 6 meter plus 4 meter. Into H. H is unknown. Now area is obtained. Rupees 5.50 per square meter. Area is obtained. Cost is also given. L is known, B is known. We have to find H. Cost of painting. Cost of painting of all the 4 rooms will be rate. Into rate is 5.50 per meter square. This is cost of 1 square meter, and total area is obtained here like this. 2 into 10, 6 plus 4, that is 10 meter, into h. This cost is given. This part is known here. Implies that cost of painting that is given is, total cost is given rupees 1320. This is, area is in meter square. Meter square will be cancelled here. 2 rupees, that is rupees 11. 2 into 5.50, that is rupees 11. And this one is 10 meter, it is also known part. And h, now only h is unknown, so this part will be calculated. Now transposition will be done here. Rupees 1320 by rupees 11 into 10, and this is h. 0 0 cancelled. 11 1 2 2 22 11 2 ja. Hence h is equal to 12 meter. So all the three dimensions are, so breadth of the room, that is x meter, which is already obtained, that is 4 meter. Length of the room, that is 3 by 2x, that is 6 meter, which is already obtained. And height of the room is equal to 12 meter obtained. In this way, all the three dimensions of the room are 4 meter, 6 meter and 12 meter. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.